Introducing Champion Power Equipment's new 3100 watt inverter. A dependable source of portable power whether you're taking small trips, tent camping, or even around the house. It has a built-in econ switch that can be used when the inverter is running under a light, steady load. This not only makes the inverter even quieter, it also idles down the engine and conserves fuel. And the inverter's 120 volt RV plug makes it easy to provide long-lasting power straight to your RV. Champion's new 3100 watt inverter. Your perfect choice for quiet, clean, portable power.
Ames Power 3200 watt portable inverter generator. This portable generator has a starting capacity of 3200 watts and a continuous rating of 2800 watts with a 4-stroke OHV engine. As you can see, the generator runs very quiet, includes convenient wheels with a brake, and carb compliant, safe to use anywhere. The generator includes an electric and recoil starter. On the front of the generator, you will find LED indicators, an economy control switch for efficient fuel consumption, easy-to-read voltmeter, DC protect switch to protect generator from overloading, 12-volt DC socket, USB outlet, 30-amp outlet, dual GFCI outlet, and finally, an auto generator start port that works seamlessly with the Ames inverter chargers. On the side of the generator, you will find the choke lever, oil compartment, the recoil starter, and the fuel cock. The fuel tank and spark plugs are located on top of the generator. This generator provides 3200 watts of power, but still portable enough to keep in any vehicle, RV, commercial vehicle, and providing 5 hours of power at 50% load. Need a different size? Ames also offers 800, 2000, and 6600 watt options, backed by a 3-year warranty. And an optional 30-amp, 30-foot output accessory cable is available for hardwire applications.